Hello viewers and welcome to the introductory session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will be using AutoCAD 2021 version. But since this is the Beginner's Guide, you can also use the older versions. It will not make any difference because we will not be using any specific advanced commands. AutoCAD is a computer-aided software drafting program. It is used for a number of applications, like creating blueprints for buildings, bridges, and computer chips to name a few. AutoCAD is 2D and 3D computer-aided drafting application. Since 1982, it was a desktop application. Since 2010, it is available as mobile, web, and cloud-based app and known as AutoCAD 360. AutoCAD is widely used in industry. Let's discuss its applications in different industries one by one. AutoCAD is an architectural planning tool. It comes with a user interface with built-in design layouts. The layout contains numerous templates specially designed for architectural planning and building construction. The latest versions of AutoCAD come with analytical tools. The tools can be analyze the components of the buildings to troubleshoot stress and load levels of building supports. AutoCAD enables architects to design, plan, execute, and analyze the strength of a building at stage of design. AutoCAD as an engineering drafting tool. You can use AutoCAD to draw accurate 2D drawings for any engineering domain and also use AutoCAD to render 3D models in order to help in visualization of the end product. It is useful for civil, mechanical, and electrical systems. It helps engineers to design, analyze, and solve design issues resulting in accurate designs. AutoCAD as graphic design tool. While AutoCAD has innate features that enables the users to plan and map out spaces and take advantage of the space available. It can be used simultaneously with 3D Max and various other application softwares, including animation tools. AutoCAD in 3D printing. For a 3D print of an object, one has to choose the object, get a virtual 3D representation, and then feed it to the 3D printer. A 3D print has its own advantages for designers, and this is where AutoCAD helps them. It ensures file compatibility so that designs can be exported to various preferred formats. AutoCAD in fashion industry. Well, every pattern and design of jewelry does not come by chance. It is the result of careful planning and designing. AutoCAD has the tools necessary for planning intricate designs for manufacturing of jewelry, toys, and other delicate objects. AutoCAD has industrial design tools. AutoCAD helps to reduce manufacturing costs as it saves time and efforts required for manual designing. In this course, we will be learning many things, which are all related to the beginner level. Once you get command over the beginner's guide, you would be able to advance yourself in the advanced form of AutoCAD as well. I hope we will learn a lot together. with this course. See you in next session. Till then, take care.